at his reading centers, Paul had 9 reading centers, and at the reading centers, he taught students to put on the thinking caps, to activate listening skills for reading, speech, articulation, and spelling sounds.
在丹尼逊博士的阅读中心，他有总共9家阅读中心哦。他教导学员进行翻揉耳廓，来启动听觉技巧，以提升阅读咬字发音和拼读发音。
He also used the activity to guide students to relax their neck muscles and to improve balance and head turning skills.
他也利用这些动作引导学员放松颈部肌肉，来改善平衡和转头的技巧。